Hello everyone! I'm really sorry that I made you wait so long for a new video, but today I came with a new video especially for you. In 2023, I made a video about how to have a perfect joystick size. Today I want to redo it, to make it easier for you to understand some things that I omitted or did not explain as I should have in 2023. Update in 2024. Let's start. Tips and tricks for best joystick in PUBG Mobile. So, its position is a very important factor. More precisely, you need a light position for your hand, something comfortable and pleasant. For me, this is perfect. It doesn't affect me or block my hand in one point. Each of us has a different position, because some have a smaller palm and others a larger one. Let's face it, the perfect size varies between 100 and 120. For me, the best is 118. It's neither too big nor too small. It's exactly what you need. I will also explain why, if it is too small, it will connect too quickly, and if it is too big, it will connect too hard. More precisely, your movement will be incomplete, interrupt. The second factor that doesn't seem so important at first glance, but believe me, it's very important, the sprint. A lot of people make the mistake of playing with it at 100-100. Please, if you see this, stop doing it. It's a very big mistake. It drags you down. But why? The joystick has an auto sprint. If the sprint is at 100-100 automatically as you move forward, it will be stuck on auto. It confuses you a lot. I've already gone too far. The best sprint is 95 because it will never get stuck on auto sprint. I noticed a lot of people playing like this, bro. How to play like this. Stop. Do you want to become the best? Don't make such mistakes again. I can't believe how many people play like that. Such a wrong move. Please, no, not like that. Learn to form your movement. Create a balance between you and the joystick. I want you to analyze my movement, how I am one with the joystick. There is no secret, believe me, just practice. I cannot give you my training. Each of you must obtain it through training. I can show you the way and open your eyes. I'm alone, like many of you look at me or others and wonder how to play like that. Others, like we have hack, auto-aim, wall, etc. But the only hack we have is training, precision, and discipline. There are several exercises to create an aim and a good joystick, but now I want to show you only two, the most important. So with training at some point, you will unlock your ability to be focused on enemies. A tip: don't move with the enemy. In the same sense, be opposite because the aim will be very weak. Create an imaginary line, a route to focus on, a place to enter and then exit. You will form an aim as well as a customized joystick. Do you want to be as good as me or the rest? Pay attention to my movements. It's not magic, just back work. You can do it too. I want to thank everyone who watched this video, as well as the monkey who helps me make this video. I hope to see you again next time. Take care of yourselves.